Hello and welcome back to Cars.co.za. I'm David Taylor and this is this week's news. First up, the Audi A5, which is the old A4, SA's most expensive Bakkie, and an iconic British brand is coming back to South Africa. Who could it be? This exceptionally pretty new sedan is the Audi A5, which replaces the Audi A4. I'm also confused, but here's how it's going to work out. All the even-numbered Audis will be electric-powered, so that's your A4, your A6, your A8, but your A3, A5, A7 will feature internal combustion power, so your petrol, diesel, mild hybrid. The biggest news is the under-the-skin change. Now, previously, all Audis and Volkswagen Group and so on had one common platform, MQB or MLB and so on. Now we're seeing a brand new platform, which is called PPC, Premium Platform Combustion. And the car features numerous technologies which bring it up to date to 21st century connectivity levels. Inside, there's more cabin space, there's a high-tech screen, and there's now even a screen for the passenger. Look, I think that's a bit distracting, not my kind of thing, but then again, I'm always driving, I'm not the passenger. The engine lineup for South Africa is yet to be confirmed, but we understand that the European market will get petrol, diesel, and of course, there's a flagship S5 with a thundering V6 petrol. 2025 will be a massive year for Audi South Africa. We already know there's a facelifted A3, there's this new A5, there's a brand new generation of Q5, and so on and so on. Now, what you see here is South Africa's most expensive Bakkie. Now, I know we're in a price-sensitive market and people want value, but how cool does this thing look? It's from a manufacturer you may not know. It's called the Ineos Quartermaster, famous for the Ineos Grenadier, you know, the Defender copy. Now, it has one of the coolest interiors ever. I mean, there's buttons everywhere, there's buttons on the roof. But for me, the real highlight is the BMW engine. Everybody loves a B58, and the Quartermaster has a B58 3-litre turbocharged 6-cylinder petrol, and there's also the diesel version. Now, if you want to flag yourself as SA's ultimate and most expensive Bakkie, you've got to have the technical know-how to back it up. There's 3 diff locks, massive ground clearance, and just look at it. It's awesome. You're going to be able to go everywhere in this thing. The Ineos Quartermaster is priced from 1.7 million and is on sale now through selected BMW dealerships. Right, onto our final story for this week. Now, we've done some real journalism, some proper work. You're welcome. Do you remember the British sports car brand MG? You know, the MGB, the MGTF, like cute things. Now, good news is that it's coming back to South Africa after 8 years. Now, things have changed since MG was a standalone British brand. They're now under the stewardship, ownership of SAIC. We also have commercial brands like LDV Bakkies, the one we reviewed the other day, and Maxus Vans. So how do we know this is all happening? Well, we've spent time on LinkedIn, boring, I know, but we've seen some key career movements among some industry players, and the Sandton office is already looking for staff. Now, which products are likely to come to South Africa? Now, I am praying the MG Cyberster comes to South Africa. I mean, that is one of the coolest looking sports cars in decades. Realistically, we're likely to see the entire catalogue of Indian-built MG SUVs, like the Hector, the Astor, and the Gloster. Now, before you knock Indian-built cars, let me just remind you that more than half of SA's light vehicle sales are vehicles that are built in India. And that's another weekly news wrap-up done and dusted, and all of these stories and more are linked in the description below. If you've enjoyed what you've just watched and found it interesting, consider giving it a like or a share to your network. We're on the hunt for 500,000 YouTube subscribers, and every share counts. As always, if you're after a new or used car, crack open that Cars.co.za app. We have over 76,000 vehicles for sale. I'll chat to you in the comments and see you next week. Okay, bye.